see you can still get down in there. Oh, frick. Oh. Go down, and if I don't keep my eye open, I could lose it. I got a bug in my eye. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a little fun. We're up here on the mountain near where I grew up. So it's these are trails I used to ride as a kid. So this should be fun to go reminisce and explore a little. And there's actually some mines that I want to come up and explore, some old mines. For some reason, I don't know why, but this mountain has so many mines on it. I remember coming up here as a kid and looking at them and stuff, and they're pretty cool, but that's been a long time, so we'll see what they still got up here. And I always miss that second gear. Also, I'm testing out a new mic that I got for the GoPro, so we'll see. Let me know if you guys can hear me better. So right up here is the first mine that we're gonna come take a look at. This one's pretty cool if it's still there. We'll go take a look. See, most of these mines up here look like that. They've caved them in the front, but there's still some pretty cool stuff you can see. Let's go take a look at it, see what's inside. One of the cool things about this mine is, well, interesting story. When we were kids, we came up here and all these tailings over here were just like glittering, like shiny, and we thought we had found gold, like this is a gold mine. And I mean, we had to be like 12, 13 but we came up here, got some of the rocks, brought them back, took them to my who's my mom's uncle. I don't know if he had done gold mining or some sort. He knew rocks really good, and he told us, he's like, what you got here is some iron pyrite. And we're like, oh, it actually has a name, it's something cool. But then he followed that up with, it's also known as fool's gold. So yeah, you can see you can still get down in there. It's kind of cool. One thing to watch out for is snakes in here. It's crazy to think that they would just come in here and work every day. Insane. Pretty cool though. This one, I've been to the back of it before. I don't know if I'll go all the way back there, but it just goes back probably like 100 feet or so, and then it's caved in back there. Pretty cool though. Okay, on to the next one. So these mines, they have names that we would call them as kids. I don't know if they have official names. A couple of them do have official names that I know of, but this one we called the gold mine because of our little experience thinking we found gold. But that's what we'd call it as kids, and that's what I know it as to this day. So the next one we're headed to is actually, this one is the actual name. We saw it in a, I don't remember what it was in. It was a newspaper or like a story in an article or something. But it's called the silver mine. So we got the gold mine and the silver mine. This one is the one with the gate. We'll see if it's open, if we can get up there or not. But it's a fun ride to get up there. So as kids, what we were riding around on up here was tote goats and four-wheelers. I don't know if you know what a tote goat is, but it's a, I don't even know what you call it, like an old mini bike that was from the 60s. Had a little 6 horsepower engine. They were geared down super low though, so they could tractor up anything. So it'll be a bit different on a full-size motorcycle. This trail is pretty steep at the beginning if I remember. We'll see how it goes. Ah, dang it, killed it. The gate's open. Now let's see if I can get going again on this hill. It's loose rocks. Come on, baby. Get some grip. Oh. Whew. That's rough with it being steep and big rocks. Whew. You know, on a four-wheeler, it didn't seem this bad. Oh, frick. Oh, nice. Jeez. I don't have the time and energy for that trail today. I think we're just gonna head back. This trail's not like insanely steep, it's just so loose and rocky. Let's go see if we can hit a couple of these other mines. There's a couple of them that are down lower that I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get to. There's one that's up higher, I don't know if we'll have time. There's the town is doing their celebration today, and there's gonna be a parade down on Main Street. Try to get back before that starts so I'm not stuck in traffic. Okay, we made it all the way over here to the other side of the mountain. Now we'll head up there, up this canyon up here, and see if we can get to those mines. Up on the top of this hill right here, there's a pretty cool one. You have to go around the backside to get up there, but it's just a shaft that goes straight down. We'll see if we can get up to that one. We'll come up this way. I know there's a mine up here. I think it's... can't see a whole lot of it, but there is one right up around this corner. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, this one I think is caved in just barely past the entrance. Let's go check it out for a second. Oh yeah, there's... I mean... if you want to squeeze down through that crack... yeah, that's sketchy. No way. And it looks like there's footprints and looks like people have done it, but yeah, not for me. Let's go up to the one. There's a big one up on top of this hill that pretty cool. Now this hill that we're gonna go up over here is kind of like a I'd say a test hill for us as we were kids. If you had a rig that could make it up this, you were doing pretty good. It's fairly steep and pretty loose, so we'll see what we can do. Had a few of my friends pretty bad crashes on it. My dad crashed on it. Made it. Oh man, they really caved this one in. It used to be a big opening and there was just a gate behind it that there's just a gate that was blocking it. It was closed with. Let's go look inside, see if that gate's still there. Oh no. Yes, that's why you don't use 3D printed parts for things like that, or you just don't crash. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure people still slide down in there. It's not like you could go very far though. Once you got to that gate, it was just the end. Oh. Yeah, I think that mine is just right out here. That's a good view from up here. Look at that. Yeah, there she is. Now this one I think is filled in too. I mean, most of them up here are filled in because they're just old nines. They don't want people, crazy people like me, going down in them. Huh? Nope, that one is not filled in. It's crazy. That's insane. Look at that spider web. Ugh. And could you imagine being an old miner just dropping down into a little hole like that? That's crazy. Pretty cool though. Yeah, I think we've got time. We can try and head up to the one up higher. Try and get all the way up to it. Yeah, it's quite a ways up there, but it's a pretty simple trail. Oh, look, there's another one. Jeez. Yeah, don't fall into there. Watch where you're riding. This will be a good test for the old drone. We're gonna take it down that canyon over there with all the tight trees and see how it does. So we'll go pretty slow down it to give the drone a chance. Let's see how it does with these branches. I'm going to go completely under them. See if it'll go over or under. Or hit them. That was pretty crazy. Hit that tree, but then it saved itself, so it kept flying, but then it just hovered there, so I reconnected it, and now it's back on me. It's pretty impressive for this little drone. Okay, here we go. Let's head up this. This first part's a little rough. It got washed out by a mudslide back when the mudslides were happening, but we'll see if we can make good time of it and then get up on top where it's more open trail. I remember this trail used to be super bad, like right after the mudslides, but you know, people always find a way to make it up to where they want to go. That used to be the rough spot right there. Wow, I got a bug in my eye. Man, look at that. We gotta soak in this view for a second. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That mountain over there, that's the one we were up on top of a few weeks ago. So that up there, that's the top of this mountain. So we're pretty close to it. Not too bad. Okay, let's go see what this last mine looks like. So this mine actually does have an actual name and a story with it. This is called the Syndicate Mine. Whoa. Man, I think I really need to lower that tire pressure. I'm all over the place. But yeah, this one's called the Syndicate Mine. And I guess it was one that they started to find the mother lode in this mountain. It's an actual gold mine. That's what they're looking for. Now, I don't know. I mean, I'm sure they found some here and there, but they never found any to make it worth it and make it a huge thing. But it's kind of cool. Alright, let's go check it out. So this one's always been caved in. When we were kids, the stupid kids that we were, we actually slid through a crack to get down in this mine. And I hope my mom's not watching, but we turned our shirts inside out so we could slide through and not get dusty. And yeah, this mine is actually, when we went up in there, it went probably like, we went probably a mile into the mountain. And then I mean, there's chutes off to the side, but we didn't want to take them because we didn't want to get lost. But it opens up into this big room. And in that room, it was like, there was people had signed the wall. Some of them were over 100 years old. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. There's the entrance. That's where we would slide down into there. Pretty crazy, huh? I actually don't know. I mean, it was probably just like 10 feet that we'd slide, but it doesn't look like you still can. Oh yeah, they completely closed it off. There's no way into it now. I guess it's a good thing we did that as kids. Get that experience. Probably not the safest. Wouldn't recommend it. Okay, now it's time to head back. Thanks for watching. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for coming along with me, exploring these mines and reminiscing the old days. But yeah, I had a good time. I hope you guys did too. If you like this sort of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, time to head home. Thanks for watching.